Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We all love those nice simple variety rices, don't we? Today I'm going to share a nice flavorful rice dish made with sorrel leaves. This is Gongura rice. Now this is a traditional and very popular rice in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So let's get started and check it out. For the Gongura rice, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of sesame oil in a white kadai. To this, add 1 tablespoon of peanuts and roast them for a few minutes. If you like more peanuts, you can add a little bit extra. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon Chana Dal and 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal. Just give it a light mix and roast them. After a few seconds, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, about 5 red chilies roughly cut, 4 green chilies roughly chopped, and mix well. Once the mustard starts splattering, add in half teaspoon of hing and some curry leaves. Roast them for a bit and then add about half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all well. Remember that you have to keep the flame on medium to avoid burning these ingredients. Now for this recipe, I've taken 1 big bunch of sorrel leaves. I've washed the leaves nice and clean. I'm just going to chop them up. Add the chopped leaves into the kadai. Roast the sorrel leaves until the raw smell is gone. Once the sorrel leaves are cooked, they become mushy and soft like this. At this point, add the tamarind puree extracted from a small lemon-sized tamarind soaked in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Mix it all well. Now since the sorrel leaves are already sour in taste, you need not add too much amount of tamarind to it. And if you feel the sorrel mixture is a bit too dry, you can add a little water to dilute it. Now I'm covering the kadai with the lid to let the leaves cook fully in the heat for about 15 minutes. Now you can see after 15 minutes the flavors have all blended well and the aroma to me is just perfect. That's all, the sorrel leaves mixture for the Gongura rice is ready. Now I'm taking a little bit of the paste and adding it to the rice that I've already cooked. Mix it all well and adjust the paste according to the rice quantity. For an extra added flavor, I'm also adding a dollop of ghee here. Once you mix it all up, check for seasoning and add salt if required. And as for the remaining Gongura paste, store it in an airtight container in the fridge. It stays good for minimum of 2 weeks and you can instantly prepare this rice whenever you want. Most importantly, try serving this Gongura rice after 1 hour of its preparation, because this way the flavors of the Gongura will be nicely blended with the rice and tends to get tastier. I've made other recipes with Gongura. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. Do check them out. So you can see it's a very simple yet delicious Gongura rice that you can make and pack for lunch boxes, or if you're traveling on a road trip, this is something that you can take with you. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.